right, y'all, so I've got my pan and I've got some ramen noodles right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up another one here. We're gonna do a total of 4 or whatever can fit into your pan. Okay. And then just put your little seasoning to the side. This is gonna be a really nice budget-friendly meal. You can put it on your dinner table super fast. All right, so got my 4 right here, and then you're gonna go ahead and take your little packets, and then we're gonna go ahead and just sprinkle all that over right on top. You can get it open. Gonna give it some nice flavoring. Okay. If they'll open up correctly. All right, just a little bit of flavoring. I'm not gonna use but only 2 of them. Okay. Then what you're gonna do is go ahead and you're gonna add some eggs. I've got 6 eggs right here. Go ahead and pour that on over. I don't know about y'all, but I've got some chickens and they are laying like crazy. Okay, and then what I got here is some chicken broth. You could use vegetable broth if you wanted to, or even some beef broth, just whatever you have on hand. You can use chicken stock or bone broth, whatever you got. So I've got about 4 cups here. I don't know if I'm gonna use it all. We're just gonna pour this on. We just wanted enough to get all that noodles soaked in here, but we don't want it soupy. All right, so I added probably about 3 cups there. Just eyeball it. Okay, now what we're gonna add here is I've got, let's move this to the side. I've got some, these are some peppers here. Those cute little peppers you find in the store. Let's go ahead and just chop these up. You could use whatever vegetables you have on hand. You could use broccoli if you had them, carrots, but I personally don't like broccoli or carrots, so I'd rather have peppers. So just go ahead and cut those up into bite-sized pieces, and then we're gonna lay that back on top here. So just lay that on top, just like that, okay? Just like that. Look how pretty this is. Y'all, this is gonna be so good. It's so budget friendly. It is gonna be delicious. Okay, now, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Okay, super easy, y'all. You're gonna love it. Now, I've got some American cheese right here. Okay, I've got several pieces here. Let's see how many I'm gonna use, but just go ahead and open those up. And you're just gonna lay that right on top. Okay, just like that. Cheese is good with everything. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add one more. I must go ahead and split this one in half here. Just like that. All right. So easy, y'all, so easy. Okay, y'all, and then I've got some thyme right here. I'm just gonna add right on top. Just like that. So easy, so easy. And then you're gonna bake this at 350 for about 20-25 minutes. Okay, y'all, look at this. Look how nice this looks. Oh my gosh. I can't tell you how good this smells. Look at that egg right here. Let's take this off. Maybe it's cooled a little bit. But look at that egg yolk right there. Doesn't that look so good? Okay, I'm ready. Let's do this. I'm gonna take some of this one on this side because it looks good. Like that cheese kind of crisped up a little bit, but oh yeah, nice and moist, you guys. Okay, let's try this. Look at that. Look at that. Holy cow. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Doesn't that look so good? All right. Let's try this. Got some of this egg here. Look. It's looking good. Wow. That is so good. Mm-hmm. That egg with those noodles, delish. All right, let's get some with this pepper here. You got like some good protein in there from the eggs. You got some good carbs, you know, for energy. You got the vegetables for some fiber. All right, I'm gonna try it with those peppers. I love peppers. Mmm. Oh. Y'all. Mmm. You've got to try this. Mmm. That is so good. I can't believe how good this is. Not really. You just think it's like some crazy ingredients, but no, it's delicious.